With consumers increasingly mindful of sustainable laundry solutions, it's time for a fresh approach to detergent formulations. Users want detergents that are gentle on the environment, come in compact small packs, convenient sizes, and are easy to dose, while delivering exceptional cleaning power. Now that's a big ask, but BASF has the answer. Sokalan EcoBoost, a new biodegradable performance booster that delivers jumbo-size power in a compact package, even at low temperature. So no more schlepping heavy boxes around. BASF's new ingredient enables formulas for tiny but mighty liquid detergent tabs that maintain their full cleaning strength even at low doses and temperatures. Wow your customers with dazzling laundry, improved sustainability profile, and lower energy bills. Contact your BASF account manager today and discover how little things can make a huge difference.
BASF. We create chemistry.